Alright guys, I know this doesn't look pretty. That previous exhaust video we did, well, it failed. It wasn't leaking, but the welds broke and this wasn't positioned properly. So we took it off. We took everything apart. Now we're doing it old school. I know I'm gonna get flamed for this. We took some caulk, some nice thick caulk, spread it all over. I had to chug a 24-ounce can of beer real quick because we put that aluminum can and wrapped it around the caulk. We took some clamps, clamped it up real nice, and it's been drying for a few hours now. We're gonna let this sit like this overnight, and hopefully this solves the problem temporarily or for as long as it can. And then we'll think of other great ideas. Until then, we're gonna be running it open axle back. As you guys can see, the car's real clean. Let's do a startup. Now guys, we have been getting the parts in slowly for the future plans that we're going to be doing with the Civic. Some maintenance, some bushings, some tie rod ends, valve lash adjustment and all that. So everything's been coming in, so we're slowly planning that. When the weather starts improving, we will be starting to proceed with those things, and I'll be guiding you through every step, so stay tuned for the videos. Now, since I finally worked out my microphone issues, I'm gonna give you guys some better exhaust notes from the axle back, from the open axle back muffler, delete, or whatever you would call it. And so stay tuned for those videos. We're gonna try to film that tomorrow.